So you think capitalism represents freedom, opportunity and prosperity? Well, how to put it? You're absolutely wrong. Capitalism is an economical, political and social system in which property, business and industry are privately owned, directed towards making the greatest possible profit for successful organizations and people. Or also called, you have 2 cows, you sell one, you buy a bull, your herd multiplies, the economy grows, you sell them and retire on the income. Capitalism is nothing more than a new version of monarchism, where instead of being ruled and screwed by a king, you are screwed by a bunch of elite aristocrats ruling the government and the finances. Wanna be an aristocrat? Well, forget it. Do you think they watch videos about capitalism? They've nailed it pretty well. Their only purpose in life is to screw, Assad is a carpenter, but they don't do wood, they do you. Money, 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 the endless cycle of greed. But shut up, I'm not just repeating what haters say. You may think I say this because I'm not successful, for sure. But listen to this and tell me if you disagree. First, you have your needs, whether it is food, sleep, or love, or listening to Justin Bieber. You work to satisfy your needs one way or another, but thanks to big man capitalism, there's competition. So if you want to keep your job and satisfy your need, you have to work harder. This makes what I call the spiral of working to be working. Some people, probably not you, let's be honest, look at you. Some people make this spiral endless, and we praise them for being successful and rich. When I say we, I include most of Americans, because us French, we're not jealous, we just hate. We hate on everything. But for the majority of people like you and me, the spiral is a cycle. We'll never be filthy rich. Not because we cannot, but because we will not work as hard as we need to. We are nicer humans. We care about other things in life than money, like Catface videos, or Trump memes, or Ozyman reviews. What they don't tell you is that pharmaceutical companies, they don't produce you medicine for helping the people who are sick. Car companies don't build cars so you can travel everywhere you want with your friends. They attempt to find a market, they find customers so you can make cash, fat cash. But they just have to. Nobody earns money with kindness. Probably because kindness is too kind. Everything costs money. Do you think he should? I think he should. He shouldn't. Truth is, man don't care. This won't be news to you unless you live in a cave. But you are treated in this capitalistic society as good as you represent, and not what you are. Deep, huh? You don't get it? Capitalism uses caste system where humans are not born equal. Depending on where the stork dumps the bag, you can be a king or a peasant, homeless or rich. And this system can only prosper if we are not equal. If there is a wealth or social gap. It's not fair, right? It really is not. But could it be worse? This graph shows the change of income for top 10% and poorest 10%. Actually, never mind. It cannot be worse. Capitalism is destructive because people need to earn to survive and resources come second. Problem is that the resource are the pillar of everything, of any industry. You don't have traders without gold or oil. You don't have engineers without aluminium or steel. But you can have assholes. Assholes don't need resources. Resources at the bottom of the food chain. And like rats, we eat it, make it the pyramid collapse. Capitalism is a world of ASAP. You know ASAP? As soon as possible. Everything ASAP. No one cares about APAP. As possible as possible. Because the cost of resources today do not include the cost from the lack of supply tomorrow. But you will probably claim capitalism is freedom, open market, and world trade. Let me welcome brainwashing. Governments control the free market, making the market not free. Hey, you know, laws and all of that, things you have to follow or you go to jail. Yay, freedom! And who controls the government? My boys, the aristocrats. Remember them? So it's their interest to keep the wealth and social gap. It will keep them in power. And who doesn't like power? You don't look like you do. Nah, I'm joking. Nah, I'm not. So you may think capitalism is the best among the worst. And for the fool, simply the best there is. Well, how to put it? Don't you think capitalism promotes selfishness rather than kindness? Promotes greed rather than satisfaction? Promotes destruction rather than harmony? And promotes subordination rather than freedom? You probably want to punch me right now for stating the obvious. But let me just say this. Don't let your routine reality become your fate. Big Bro Chia just said it. Just do it. Just do it! Some serious sarcasm. Hi guys, I would like to thank you to watch this video. If you have enjoyed, subscribe now!